it's Layle with Layle by Mail, and I am excited to share with you one of my newest Layle by Mail project kits. This is the Ahoy There 6x8 pocket page album. So first we'll take a look at the finished project, and then we'll take a look at the contents of the kit. As always, the Layle by Mail kits include all of the product that you need to put the project together, as well as the color step-by-step instructions. I'm also very excited to announce that with these, my 4 newest kits, of which Ahoy There is one, I will be doing exclusive live YouTube classes that go along with the kit or along with the project. So those will be available when you purchase the kit. And you will be able to watch that live if you'd like, or you will be able to watch that at any time recorded after the fact. So let's go ahead and take a look at the finished project. So I have used the Ahoy There collection from Echo Park, and you guys, it's such a cute, really fun nautical themed collection. So it worked perfect for the cruise. So as lots of little bits here, you're going to see when we take a look at the contents of the kit, little tassels and glitter stars and enamel dots and so forth. So as we open that up and take a look, some different interactive elements, really, and this is generic enough for any type of cruise, whether you are cruising to Caribbean or you're doing an Alaskan cruise, a cruise somewhere in Europe. Really, it works for so many different things because it obviously has kind of that nautical look to it. So lots of great interactive elements, room for tons of photos. I have separated the project into 3 sections. So the first section would be at sea. So this would be when you are boarding the boat, you are setting sail, that first period that you are at sea. So I love this one. It's so cute with that little whale there. As we move into the second section is when you move onto land, and this would take into consideration any excursions that you're doing while you are on land, maybe a beach day. A lot of cruises have beach days, so you have room to capture all of those great memories, the different excursions, your beach day or days while you are off the boat. And then these are fun, kind of those little tags. So room for tons and tons of different photos. Photo there. As we move out of the second section into the third section, we are moving back onto the boat or back onto the ship again. So this is where you would maybe record your formal night at dinner at sea. Room for little photos sliding in that little side pocket right there. Any activities, any shows that you are seeing. You might even take photos of your cabin, the people that you're meeting on the cruise at dinner. So definitely room for lots of different things. Even the view, that could be the view out of your cabin. That could be really the view from the ship, whatever it may be. So that, even if you, a lot of times on a cruise, you maybe are outside at night and taking in the stars. So even room to capture maybe a photo of outside at night. So that is the finished project. Now we will take a look at the contents of the kit that you use to make up the project. So the base of the project is that 6x8 navy album from Simple Stories. So that's the pocket page album. It includes 8 pages, and the pages inside are some are navy and some are white, kind of office style. 3 of the craft chipboard dividers, and then 10 pocket pages. So lots of goodies in that. As we move into the rest of the kit, you have the color step-by-step instructions. As always, you also have cutting diagrams on the back, so it makes it really easy to know how to cut the papers. A package of enamel dots, a package of the frames and tags. So in that one you have 33 die cut pieces, 60 of the enamel dots. You have a package of the brand new Simple Stories foam alpha stickers. So these are red, and they coordinate super well with the collection. Little gold glitter stars, some white string that we are using, the tassels for the cover, some twine that we're using, 3 shipping tags. Then we move kind of into the rest of the meat of the kit. You have a collection kit from Ahoy There. So that is the 12x12 sticker sheet. You have 2 sheets each of 12 different papers that are part of the collection. So everything is double-sided, but a great nautical feel. Lots and lots of paper to work with in your kit with the 12 sheets. And then you just have two contrasting solids, a red and a navy. So the kit is currently available, shipping now. I have included information on ordering the kit down below in the description of the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment or go visit my website at laylebymail.com. And thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.